Hello guys, how are you? Let's learn some colors name. Blue color, yellow color, red color, and brown color. Today we will learn alphabets and numbers. Let's start. A for actor. A for actress. B for brain. B for broccoli. C for computer. C for camel. D for doctor. D for dinosaur. E for elephant. E for earth. F for fish. F for farmer. G for garden. G for galaxy. H for hospital. H for honey. I for ice cube. I for insects. J for jelly. J for jam. K for kangaroo. K for kite. L for lawyer. L for lemon. M for minister. M for magistrate. N for nature. N for news. O for oxygen. O for octopus. P for princess. P for parachute. Q for queen. Q for quality. R for radio. R for road. S for stomach. S for spinach. T for teacher. T for tomato. U for Uranus. U for university. V for violin. V for vulture. W for water. W for wind. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. Y for yogurt. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Let's learn how to write numbers. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.